By working in groups, we were able to evaluate the following questions. For question 5, we started off by finding the QR, which we subtracted Q3 minus Q1, in this case 21 minus 15, equals 6. Part B, we evaluated the z-score for the minimum and max values. We found the min, the max, the standard deviation, and the mean. And we used this equation right here to find the min and the max. The minimum z-score was negative 2.4628722295, and the max z-score was 2.5206522293. For part C, we evaluated the usual interval using the mean and the standard deviation. We used this equation right here to find the min, and this equation right here to find the max, which the equation is the mean minus 2 times the standard deviation, and the mean plus 2 times the standard deviation, which in this case it was 11 and 26. For part D, we evaluated the usual interval using the lower and upper fence. In this case, the lower upper fence was 15 minus 1.5 times 6, and the upper fence was 21 plus 1.5 times 6. And the lower fence equaled 6, and the upper fence equaled 30. For question 6, we used technology to provide the following graphs. For part A, we used QQ-plot. For part B, we used a bar graph with 5 classes. For part C, we used a whisker plot. For part D, we used a dot plot. For question 7, we were able to create a systematic sample with 10 values. We started at number 8, and we ended with 224. Question 8, we discussed and we created a convenience sample, which we also provided 10 values, but in this case we selected the ones that we did not use for the sample above, and we used the data values of 3, 15, 23, 34, 44, 57, 78, 118, 177, and 210.